Got my little setup this morning. Show y'all what I fish with for my crappies and bluegill. He trying to get away. He trying to escape. Look at that. Come out of there. Traveling reel I went and got this morning from Walmart. Compact. Look at that. Got this on the clearance rack. $7. $7. Couldn't beat that. Had to get it. Look at that. $7. Couldn't beat that. Regular price $28.98. This another Walmart combo right here. I think I paid $19 for this. Nice light action. Let's see what this is. That's a medium action. 5 foot 6 inches. Spin reel. I'm saying they get the job done. Get the job done. Look at that. That works good too. Love me some fish. I have some for every occasion. Got my worms. They'll caught me a few crappies on this here. I haven't caught anything on these here yet. Now these here, those bluegill love these here. They love them. Let me some fishing. I'm gonna go try to get me some tomorrow, early. I need about 10 or 12 of them, I'll be all right. Yeah, this little thing here, I haven't got a chance to use it yet. That's all you get right there. But for $7, I couldn't beat that. I had to get it. Tomorrow, I guess if I go out, I'll let y'all see what it's working with. See what it pull in. I'm gonna rig him up today with something nice on now. Boom, that's my hooks right there. We're gonna make it do what it do tomorrow. All right. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be back.